Hello students, good morning. Today is 4th July 2020 and this is your chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Factors and Multiples, and this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have started exercise number 3, and in exercise number 3 there are two questions. One question has been finished in last class. Today I want to start the question number 2. So this is your exercise number 3. Now question number 2. Find the prime factors by the division method. Students, in the last class I have taught to you about the find the prime factors with the help of the constructing factor trees. Now there is the another method also, that is division method. So look here, how can we find out the prime factors on the basis of the division method? So a question has been given 36. So listen students, in that side you can easily find out the factors. Students, when you want to find out the factors, so firstly you will take the prime number, first prime number, that will be easily divided that number. Okay, so as I know here 36, the one's number is 6, so it will be divisible by 2 in a easy way. Don't take 1 here. Okay, so here you will take 2. Then when we will divide 36 from 2, so we will find 18. Then after that same thing, 18 किससे जाएगा, सबसे छोटा आपको प्राइम फैक्टर देखना होगा, तो हाई फाइंड आउट दैट 2 2 9 जा 18. then 9 will be divisible by 3. okay, then 3 3 is a 9, then 3 1 ja 3. So here you have find out the prime factors. So on the basis of the division method you have find 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that is the prime factors, and we have find out it with the help of the division method. Clear? You can also check the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So it means if you have got that number, so it means your factor is correct. Clear? But remember students, here you will take only the smallest prime factor firstly. Okay, जिस smallest prime factor से पहले divide होगा, we will take that smallest prime factor firstly. Clear students? Any doubt? After that there are the B part. B part number has been given 75. I will provide to you in your homework, because खुद efforts करेंगे बेटा तो कुछ ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. So 91 C I will solve. So C part, how can we solve? 91 has been given. Think about that. In 91 will be divisible by which lowest prime factor? So I have find out that 91 will be easily divisible by 7. 7 से नीचे किसी नंबर से नहीं जाएगा. So 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21, then 13 will be only divisible by 13, so 13 1 13. So here we have got the prime factors of the 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Clear students? Now D part is 28. 28 I will also provide to you in your homework. A, C, E I will solve, and B and D I will provide to you in your homework. Now E part has been given 88. So here I will find out the prime factors of 88. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, now 2 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, now 11 1 ja. So here we have find out the prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So here you can check the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11 ja 88. Clear students? So that is the method based on the division method to find out the prime factors. Clear students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query without any type of the hesitation. I am ready to reply. Okay, now students, next page, please turn over. So students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Only 2 questions were in exercise number 3. Now before starting exercise number 4, I want to tell some points. Okay, in exercise number 4 it will be related from the HCF. The full form of the HCF is highest common factor. Okay students, so here you will write also and understand the HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divide the two numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, it means the HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides the two numbers without leaving remainder. It means we will divide with the greatest number and there will be no remainder. That is called HCF. Okay, so look here, how can we solve it? Exercise number 4. Okay, this is relates from the chapter 4 also. Okay, so question number 1 has been given. Find the common factors and the HCF. A question, A part has been given 8 and 6 here, and it has been also given factors of 8. Okay, and filling the blanks has been given as like this. Then after that has been given factors of 16. Okay, filling the blanks has been given. Clear? Then common factors. Then HCF. Okay, it has been given as like this. So it means firstly you will find out the factors of 8. So as you know students, 8 will be divisible by 1. You know about that, each and every one number has been divisible by 1 firstly. Then after that 2 4s are 8, it means it will be also divisible by 2, then 4, then 8. Okay, more than 8 it will not be divisible. 8 से बड़ी number 8 को divide नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so now factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Clear students? And here it has been given find out the common factors also. So as you know it, as you can easily see it here, the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So you will write it 1, 2, 4, 8. And then after that it has been asked about the HCF. It means highest common factor. So which is the highest common number here? 1, 2, 4, 8. So here you have seen 8 is the highest. So it means that is your HCF. Clear students? It is so easy. First, if you find out the factors, then you can easily find out the HCF also. Clear students? Now B part I will also solve because there are the two parts of question number 1. So look here. This is your page number 3rd of today's class, and B part of question number 1 has been given 14 and 21. Okay, and same thing, it has been given factors of 14. You will find out comma, then comma, then comma, then. Okay, then after that factors of 21. Okay, then common factors. Okay, then HCF. So students, look here. Factors of 14 are 1, then 2 7s are 14, it means 2, then 7 2s are 14, it means 7, then after that 14. Then same thing, factors of 21 is equal to 1, then 3 7s are 21, then 7 3s are 21, and then at last 21. So here you can easily check it. What are the common factors? 1 and 7. So you will write 1 and 7, and you can easily find out which is the highest common factor. So that is 7. It means 7 is your HCF. It means 7 is your highest common factor. Clear, students? Any doubts? So then you can ask the query. Okay. Now students, question number 2. Question number 2 has been given. Find the prime factors and the HCF. A point has been given 6 and 18, and in the question it has been given 6 is equal to 2 into filling the blanks, then after that 18 is equal to 2 into filling the blanks into filling the blanks, then HCF is equal to filling the blanks has been given. Okay, so look here, how can we find out it? You can easily find out it with the help of the division method. It means with the basis of the division method you can find out the prime factors. So look here, you can find out that type of the factor in the rough column. Okay, so 6, you can see 2 3 are 6, then 3 1 are 3. So here you have seen 2 has been given, which number has not given? 3. So you will put here 3. Clear? Then another number is 18. So you will put here 18. 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, then after that 3 1 ja 3. So 2 has been given here, which number has not given? 3. So you will put here 3. Then again another number is 3, so you will put it here 3. So which is the highest common factor? So you will find out which is the highest. It means which number is the common number here. 2 in the same point has been given, and 3 only one time. So your HCF is 2 3s are 6. So you can write answer HCF is equal to 6. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Okay. Now next page. This is your page number 4 of today's class, and this is the B part of question number 2. Number has been given 9 and 15, and in the question it has been 9 is equal to filling the blanks into filling the blanks. Then 15 has been given filling the blanks into filling the blanks. Then HCF is equal to filling the blanks. Okay. So now look it in the rough column. It means with the help of the division method we will find out the HCF. So first number has been given 9. As you know about that, here students, I will take highest prime number, so lowest prime number. So lowest prime number 9 will be divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9, so 3, then 3 1 जा 3. जिससे आप डिवाइड करोगे यहाँ लिखोगे, जिस जो आंसर आएगा डिवाइड करने पर डिविजिबल नंबर जो आएगा आपका आंसर उसको आप यहाँ लिखोगे. तो 3 1 जा 3 3 is 9, then 3 1 जा 3. So here factors of 9 is 3 into 3. Now next number has been given 15. 15 you can easily divide with the help of the 3. 3 5 are 15, then 5 1 ja 5. So your factor is 3 into 5. So students, which is the common factor here? 3, only 3. It has been given one time, so we will also calculate it in one time. So your highest common factor is 3. Clear hai students? Okay. Now C I will also solve. C, 24 and 32. Same thing. 24 is equal to filling the blanks has been given. 32 is equal to filling the blanks has been given. Then after that HCF is equal to filling the blanks has been given. So same method, you will draw the rough column, and then after that find the prime factors. 2 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, then 12, 2 6 ja 12, then 2 3 ja 6, then 3 1 ja 3. It means you have find out the prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, you can check it also. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Then after that another number has been given 32. So 32, it means 2. First we will take the smallest prime number. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. इधर हम डिवाइड करें, 2 से हम 32 में डिवाइड करेंगे तो 16 आएगा. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिवाइड 16 with the help of the 2. It means 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 2, 2 1 is 2. So you can find out 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 6, 6 2 is 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. Okay, so here you have find out 5 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here students you can easily find out this is common number. Okay, then another that this is the common number, then another that this is the common number. It means 3 times 2 is the common. It means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 4 2 is 8. So your answer HCF is equal to 8. Clear students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then ask the query without any hesitation. I am ready to reply you. Okay, now students, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd has been given. Find the HCF by finding all factors. A part has been given 20 and 30. Okay, this is your page number 5 of today's class. Okay, firstly we will find out the factors of 20 and then after that 30. Okay, find all the factors has been given here. Okay students, so factors of 20, then you will find out factors of 30. Okay, so here students you can see it. Factor of 20 is first 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 10, then after that 20. Same thing you will find out the factors of 30 also. Now students, you will find out the factors of 30 also. 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 10, 15, then 30. Okay, so here you will write the common factors. So what are the common factors here? 1, then 2, then 5, then 10. So which is the highest common factor? As you have seen here, highest common factor is 10. So therefore HCF is equal to 10. Clear students? Now B part of question number 3 has been given 27 and 54. So you will find out factors of 27 firstly, then after that factors of 54. So factors of 27 is equal to 1, 3, 9 and 27. And factors of 54, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So same thing, same pattern, you will find out the common factors. So common factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27 here. So which is the highest? You have seen highest is 27. Therefore HCF is equal to 27. Clear students?